Welcome back to my Travel Turkey GoPro series. In this episode 6, my friend Hannah and I set sail on Turkey's Turquoise Coast for an epic 3-day boat cruise, which became one of the highlights of our 3 weeks travelling Turkey. If you haven't already, please click subscribe to my YouTube channel, Roxanne Media. Now let's go. Look at this place. We sailed from Fethiye to Olympos, sleeping on board the boat and waking up to the most incredible scenery.
I've woken up, everyone is still asleep on the boat. Look at this view.
There was an optional diving add-on, which of course I did. The site we were taken to didn't have much to see, but it was a good opportunity for those who had never gone diving before to have their first time breathing underwater.
Sorry, this is our mate Barry. No, what's your name? Josh.
I thoroughly enjoyed my diving experience. I saw the best part of nothing. There was a sea urchin down there.
It was pretty average, wasn't it?
That was pretty average, yeah.
We've pulled up in Cash, K-A-S, and we're going to go check out the town for a quick little pit stop after diving.
Imagine these, man. Would I be baller in these, Roxy?
They're definitely not real.
We got to stop at a few towns along the way, so it was a good way to travel the coastal stretch.
And back we go. The colour of this water is insane. Okay, so we've just pulled up at this bay and we're going to chill out here for the sunset, have a swim. Yeah! You ready for this? I'm ready!
The water truly was turquoise, and we made great friends with the other people on our trip, who all but one were fellow Australians. Now, I'm not going to mention the boat company because of an inappropriate comment made to me by a staff member, but overall, we really did have a great time on this trip. It cost about 280 euros, including all the meals, which were absolutely delicious. As night fell, in typical Australian style, we got very enthusiastic about our national anthems.
And it's this tiny little town and it is so cute. Look at the jetty, it's like cement and rock. I don't know if this view is good enough. Yes.
Now, I know I said in this Travel Turkey GoPro series I'd only use my GoPro, but I just couldn't resist sneaking in some drone shots in this episode, so I hope you don't mind the view. My personal favourite moments on this trip were waking up at dawn while everyone else was still asleep on deck and jumping straight underwater in true mermaid style. As the trip came to an end, we said our goodbyes and crammed onto a local bus to Antalya to catch our next bus to Cappadocia. In the next and final episode, we see the famous hot air balloons, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Roxanne Taylor Media, to see this final highlight. Thanks for coming along with us, and I'll see you again soon.